have selected 10th standard Arithmetic Progression chapter. This is very useful for your board exams also. So usually students will get confused whenever they will get the questions like the sum of the three numbers of APs and the sum of the four numbers of AP and the product. That type of questions they used to get confused with that. So here we have some number of terms. So whenever in a question, if they ask you number of terms, if it is 3, then you have to consider it as a minus d, a plus d. If they ask you 4, so a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. So in case, it's a very rare case that they will ask you 5 numbers. So but also if they ask you number of terms as a 5, then you should consider it as a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Okay. So related to this, we are going to solve some questions. Here, the first question is the sum of three numbers in AP is minus 3 and their product is 8. Find the number. So, as in the question they have asked you three numbers. So, let the numbers be. So, what I explained already, let the number 3 means a minus d, a plus d. So, you have to consider it as a minus d, a plus d. So, sum of the numbers is equal to a minus d plus a plus d, that is in the question given minus 3. So, here we are going to cancel plus d and minus d. So, left out with a plus a, that is 3a is equal to minus 3 and the value of a is minus 3 by 3, that is minus 1. This is the first part. What we have found the value of a. Now in the next part of the question, their product is 8. Their product is 8. What does it mean? It means we have to multiply, that is a minus d into a plus d, that is also given in a question as a 8. So we are going to equate with the 8. So as we know the formula, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here a minus d into a plus d is a square minus b square and the a is as it is. So already we found the value for the a, that is minus 1. So substitute the values of a minus 1 square minus d square, that is equal to 8. So as minus 1 we are going to keep it as it is. We know that minus 1 square, minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, minus d square is equal to 8. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus d square is equal to 8. By using linear equation, this minus will come to right side, it will become a plus. So d square is equal to 9 and the value of d is plus or minus 3. So don't forget to write here plus or minus. Okay. Now we have to find the number of three terms. So numbers are, when we will consider d is equal to plus 3. So we are going to substitute a value is minus 1 and d value is plus 3 in a given 3 number, that is a minus d, a and a plus d. So after substituting we will get minus 4 comma minus 1 comma plus 2. Similarly, if you substitute d is equal to minus 3 in a given number of terms, so we'll get minus 4, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, to use the identity as a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square plus minus 2ab and a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. These two formulas we are going to substitute in the given our sum of the squares. So if I substitute a minus 3d whole square is a square plus 9d square minus 2a into 3d plus a square d square minus 2a into d plus a square plus d square plus for this a plus d whole square and for this a plus 3d whole square, and cancel out plus 2 3 is 6 AD and minus 6 AD and minus 2 AD and plus 2 AD. Left out with 4A squares. Okay, and 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 plus 1, that is a 20, d square, that is equal to 120. So this is our next equation. Now we are going to substitute the value of a in the equation. So 4 into 5 square plus 20 into d square is equal to 120. So 5 square is 25. So 4 into 25 is 100 plus 20 d square is equal to 120, and 20 d square is equal to 120 minus 100. So 20 d square is equal to, left with 20. So d square is equal to 20 by 20, that is 1, and the value of d is plus or minus 1. So our 4 AP terms are that if d is equal to plus 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, as we have seen how to substitute the values in the given terms. So d is equal to minus 1. If I substitute, I'll get 8, 6, 4, 2. That's it.